Let us now take up a very important Adhikar Sutram. Sutram is 2.1.11. Vibhasha. Vritti simply says Adhikaro Yam, meaning that this is a Adhikar Sutram, a governing rule, a rule which sets the topic heading. It sets the subject matter for the rules which are to follow. And here the Adhikara Sutram exerts its influence on the rules from this Sutram 2.1.11 down to 2.2.29, Charthe Dvandvaha. Now, as we'll see later, Charthe Dvandvaha 2.2.29 is the last Samasa Vidhayaka Sutram. So basically, all the remaining compounds prescribed from here on down are optional. Optional meaning that a sentence is also possible. So there are two choices. We can either compound the terms or we can construct a sentence using the same terms to give the same meaning. So unless stated otherwise, every compound prescribed from this sutram on down to 2.2.29, which is the last Samasa Vidhayaka Sutram. So basically all the compounds prescribed from here on down, unless stated otherwise, are optional. This is what is called as the Mahavibhasha. A Mahavibhasha is a rule which lays down an option for many rules that follow. Basically, this Vibhasha presents itself in every rule that follows for a great number of rules. So you'll see a comment like Mahavibhashaya Vakyam Api, meaning that since this Mahavibhasha, this Sutram 2.1.11 Vibhasha is in force, therefore we can also have a sentence. We don't have to have a compound formed by the following rules. Now a note here says that Etat Samarthyadeva Prachinana Nitya Samasat, meaning the fact that the Adhikara of Vibhasha is starting from this Sutram 2.1.11 implies that the compounds prescribed by the rules prior to 2.1.11 are obligatory, not optional. Hence the compounding prescribed by the Sutram 2.1.6, Avyayam Vibhakti, Samipa, Samriddhi, etc., as well as by the rules 2.1.7, 8, 9 and 10 are obligatory. There is no choice where we may have a sentence using the same terms as are used in the compound to give the same meaning. So basically a Swapada Vigraha Vakyam is not possible in the case of the compounds prescribed by the rules 2.1.6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. But the general compounding prescribed by 2.1.4 Sahasupa with the help of the Anuvritti of Sup from 2.1.2 of one term ending in a sup affix with another term ending in a sup affix is not obligatory. Now how do we know this? Because 2.1.4 also comes before 2.1.11. So why is that one not obligatory? The reason is Avyayam Ityadi Samasa Vidhana Jnapaka, meaning that because if the general compounding prescribed by Supa were obligatory, there would have been no need to again prescribe obligatory compounding by 2.1.6, etc. The fact that Panini has prescribed 2.1.6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 tells us that those cases could not have been covered by Supa. Hence, obviously Supa is not obligatory because Avyayam, etc., these are all sups. So all the cases prescribed by 2.1.6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 could have been covered by Supa if Supa were obligatory. The fact that Panini has constructed 2.1.6, etc. tells us that the compounding Supa is not obligatory.